Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, unfortunately, I'm going to have to be using this Provider Ultimate Bug Killer. I noticed I've got some green fly on some of my cornflowers. I don't know if you see the distorted leaves there. And I've also just seen some, if you can just get a close up of this. There's green fly there on my tomatoes. So, I'm going to be giving these a really good spray. Some in there as well. See that one there? In there, and then if we come round some more, see the really distorted leaves here on my cornflowers. They shouldn't be like that, it should be all nice and straight. So mix some of this up. Beer Garden, last week to 4 weeks, Provider Ultimate Bug Killer. Said it's fine for tomatoes, so give it a good spray. Get them totally off. Give these cornflowers a spray as well. As soon as I've sprayed all this, I'll go out straight out of the greenhouse. I don't want to be in here breathing all this stuff. Right, once it's been sprayed, I shall go to the cornflowers. That looks about right. I'm also going to treat these begonias, tubers, which I've not done before, because there's something eating those, so give them a really good soak. I'm just doing those because these are cuttings that I took last year, so if I lose these, it's not the end of the world. So yeah, that's all them sprayed. So yeah, I like to get it so it's just dripping off the leaves. You don't want to put too little on. And make sure it's running off the leaves, and then you've covered everything. Once that's done, leave those to dry, and then once they're dried, I shall put them back under my heater propagator, and I'm keeping an eye on anything that I think I saw. If I forget, I've got dahlias. Yeah, I just noticed some on the dahlias, so give those a spray. Should be alright. I think that's about right. Any more dahlias there? One there. Dahlia there. And I think, is there a dahlia there? No. I think that's it, yeah. So yeah, I'll leave all this to dry. I'll then put them back under the lights. Come in tomorrow, hopefully everything's handled the spray alright, nothing's died, because you never know. So yeah, I'll keep my fingers crossed. But yeah, that's how to spray your tomatoes for green fly. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe and like. And Monkey, say bye, Monkey. Bye, Monkey. Have a good day, folks. Thank you. Bye.